Welcome to Nash Community College's Physical Therapist Assistant Program. This program equips graduates to excel in direct patient care settings under the guidance of licensed physical therapists. Their mission is to improve and restore function while preventing physical impairment. The curriculum shines a spotlight on critical subjects, including human anatomy, physiology, and the art of physical therapy. Graduates open doors to a range of career options, including eligibility to sit for the National Physical Therapy Licensure examination and state licensing by the North Carolina Board of Physical Therapy Examiners. Employment prospects span general hospitals, private clinics, rehabilitation centers, extended care facilities, home health agencies, and public school systems. For more information, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-443-4011.